Hello and welcome to Widener University. We're excited to have you here. I'm Dr. Maggie Place, the Associate Dean for our Graduate Studies and Extended Learning. In our Center for Extended Learning, we are committed to the success of our students, and we want to help you achieve your professional and educational goals. We hope that you will find this orientation to be both informative and fun, and I hope that it will serve as a resource for you in years to come. Our academic advisors worked very hard to put together all of the resources that it would be available to you as students in extended learning, but please feel free to stop by at any time. My door is open, and we have our academic advisors here ready to assist you. We are located in the Kapelski Learning Center in Suite 120 on the first floor, and I look forward to seeing all of you as you walk across the graduation stage in just a few short years.